Hey guys, we got E.L.F soap brows in the house. Yep, let's try that. Okay, let's make something up. It's makeup. Let's just make something up. So yes, you guys, it's the first time I'm gonna be trying this brow soap. As you can see, I have nothing on my eyebrows. Let's go ahead and spray some water. At first, you guys, I was like, why is it so dry? But then I realized you need to spray some water on that thing, the brush or the soap, however you like it. It's makeup, just make something up, all right? Whatever you want to do. So yeah, and then we go ahead and brush that soap into our brows. And as you guys can see, it have like a white cast, like foam or whatever. That was me. I sprayed too much water on the thing, and now we're gonna clean that up with a makeup wipes, or you can just use some good old napkins. All right, just use whatever you have on hands at the moment. So yeah, you wanna brush it, press it down with your finger or the back of your brush or whatever you was using, and now let's clean it up. Okay, time for a good cleanup. As you can see, I have two shade of concealer, one light and one dark. So I'm gonna use the light at the end of my brow bone, and then the darker shade I will use it in the front, and then we're gonna blend that out. All right, like I said, if you want you can use the one shade, but sometimes I like to use two shade. It depends on what I'm going for. Like I said, it's makeup. Let's just make something up. Okay, then we're gonna take our time and clean that. All right, and erase some mistake or whatever. So yes, if that's your first time on my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. All right, so you can catch me next time. So yes, you guys, after we draw the line and clean that up, we're gonna use a brush. A dense brush might be your best bet for this one. You use a dense brush. Oh my god, I can't talk right now, and I'm not gonna redo this voiceover. Okay, so yeah, dense brush, and then you're gonna blend it out. All right, always start at the end, the corner, whatever you want to call it, and then we move up. You make sure you take your time and blend. Okay, blending is key, so blend until it's seamless. All right, so yeah, like I said, that was my first time using this brow soap. If you're using it, tell me if you like it or not. So far so good, but I'll have to use it again to see how I really like it. But so far it's so good. As you can see, now I'm done blending, and then for the top part, you want to use your foundation shade or a concealer that is close to your skin tone. Like for me, I'm gonna use the same one I use on the front of my brow, and I'm just gonna, excuse me, blend that out. As you can see, I didn't use much, and sometimes you don't really need much, a little. All right, it depends on the product you're using, like I said. And then again, it's makeup. Make something up to your liking. All right, you don't have to do what I do, just do what works for you. So yes, you guys, that's it for the brow. So yes, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.